Fellow Ghanaians, this is Solomon Owusu from Denver, Colorado, United States. I think it's been a long time since I made video, but in Sembi Air Kosovo, Ghana, I think it's about time. Sorry, why am I saying this? It's about the COVID tests at Air Kosovo, Ewo Kotoka International Airport, Accra. Many are Semutie enyuma efremamu eboy na osi pesemin kuminya edi omani nya abedu sabri enyuma obo enyenne yenara assassin enyenne nyum but efremamu onya vision bi se die yempanyimfo beye eno na ode hwe so etom after 63 years of independence. Still, Ghana mebunu ebre because of empenyinfo adi anim abro. Ene nyoma emfata a o maye, o maya yewo gold, yewo bauxite, yewo manganese, yewo diamonds, yewo timber, yewo cocoa, yewo coffee. Die ni eni. Compare Ghana to South Africa. Ghana, ye nya fertilizer ansana yedua bibia o. Ututu form ene odi e brochure 3 days now, sorry. South Africa, I was there in 2010. Omulandino said one for fertilizer and come one udia, and so they are able to feed their people. Aden, and on my nyamia che bibia, a brontin penny for entrancing gay or mine home. Not the bia, omudie, Eddie Japadia ma a whole. Okokan, no be an MPP in NDC. This matter maybe can once a Mr. Ghana for more be an MPP in NDC. It's about the interests of the people of the Republic of Ghana. Why am I saying this? Ye charge ene mewo America, United States high. Se me ko Ghana na bibinti wa se me ko Ghana me do airport se me tua $150. Which should be less than $30. Me catch the Ghana phone na mo mati assess $150 no mo geno e wo airport no, it should be less than $30. And I will prove to everybody. For the past 2 days, Mendai, since I knew my boy, because I'm saying I'm a babu on Tia Bay video, no, my me checks a who Sadia Mekano, a truth, the truth, and nothing but the truth. Because mean to me, me can't tron Tregana for, because I deal with a bequetry. Share, me Cassisu say, the $150 charge, no. Ridiculous, it is thievery, and it's a conduit to extort money from the good people of Ghana in these hard times. In these hard times, Ghana for COVID, no, ahiti obia, yani ewa broche, ya omo mwa Ghana, na ahiti obia si kasema kwa fomu. Afei na abanwe, pese or the extorting money from the good people of Ghana. Now through airport na we nya mo video I circulate you abonten let me use some videos but I don't want because it's already everywhere. Oba time a wawo foforo ene ne mba apemfo wo mu nyina deda nkonya so wo airport all because o menya $150 empia. Meanwhile the charge should be less than $30. Aden President Akufo-Addo beka say me hu ye Adia President Akufo-Addo tumi hu ye wo Ghana ne se obi be okokan se na ban ne ye Sakawa o ye Sakawa achim mafia and you hu efre asofo mpanyimfo tenase se obi aka se matia no ne ekoso Ghana nyina President Akufo-Addo hu ye na video obi a obinisa beka bia no monsha mane kodu president Akufo-Addo hena no monfa nko ne doorstep mane na mesele am mpanyimfo ni nyina monsha na monsa Ghana mabunu yani abre yentena ho nya mpipini and this is no money bi emboye. It's not gonna help us in any way. Let's speak the truth. Let's speak the truth to power and save future generations. Say yania ye mabunu ya ye Ghana sisi ani ya ye wa buchiri. Say yan sorry andina na yan kasa emputu mpanyimfo no on their toes ah. Dachi ye nchirimba ebe boy sumwo. She said ye boy na nanom sumwo no. Once be boy sumwo. We need not to be in government to talk and put your penny phone on checks. Aden, what is this? Dentina many abre. Globally, there were 3 COVID tests. Mienu ye instant, and about also it takes some days. Mienu na ye instant no, PCR and antigen. Antigen and PCR test no. Eno no ye na omu NASA unhwinim eno truth eno omu de ye. Within 15 minutes or so, no one results. Third one no, the antibody on friend serology. And so omu blood and sound of makoye. Going to details about those things, no major medical doctors, no medical professionals, no I don't want to be like a medical professional. Now, the ama many brain say PCR no is more effective than the antigen. Antigen no is less sensitive. Inti me to me akoye test no. Antigen test ne be catch him say negative. PCR bet me or bet me use the same way no PCR. I the same test. PCR be catch him say positive. So that's the difference. PCR is more effective. Now the TN say antigen test no America ha $5. America kuma $5. Me koye COVID test. Even so we insurance free. Me koye me COVID test less than a month ago. Negative. Free because of insurance. Inti den and idea $5. Ghana it me $150. You become Muslim. Now, Yambrabim Ghana airport a use antigen no. Now, any Ghana and Kwana use different countries a use be. In Shishemua, Nkophobia Yema Mensakabi, and they say the highest are Yahoo CCI $28. $28. Oshe Malaysia $28. India $7. India $7. America $5. Malaysia $28. To the Sebi Jimmy crown yemfa $2 crown to Malaysia the ene so na enye $30. Inka me kan ho asem. Obi beka say population size me ko me ne panyi bi di nkomo na oka o Ghana population is America 300 million. And at the end, I'm saying, no, that is not what we're talking about. Malaysia population is 32.7 million. Ghana population is 30 million. Ghana crown 30 million say no crempo and the almost. But 32 million, 30 million. What's the difference? And to the point is, a year day na Ghana kwa ye jump from $28 to $150. Now, assembly corruption na ekoso na Akufo-Addo abemu me hu bi da since many fear from 1992 ya follow MPP ni NDC ya bedru ne me hu bi da fourth republic me hu bi da chese corruption no dia ba ye nwie japa kra ba ye kan wasma ye nwie yi kra no na COVID testing so abemu aden what is going on? What is going on in the country? Obi to me nkasa. Journalists are more Ghana. Obi kana no atum. And so kaya baby a chemwa inka enam baby John Ford and a wine tro the anka hunyina obi akoto down Dubai in tro muni evidence na mokaye but we are evidence wo se mokan wasem obi aka na no atum why are they intimidating you and am akoli diskabi and am ntumi nka no kran fan kira ban we na are you serious in the country sure asam no ne tenten ne tietie nyina ni President Akufo-Addo we meka asisu dua se contract we enye minister bia na de ma nipa na oye contract airport wo na me kra no me who the reason why say this test we my contract I don't know why we should give it out as a contract Mentiasie because you started COVID in Noguchi and I test work and na ne first Kumasi den say KCCR or say wine omo na ya till now nti e den na airport there dey come contract because omo pekwan avia Ghana fo sika gombotom that is the fact and president and award the contract you know the Jubilee House and your minister bia information on me kuta kire say a passing through emergency agency certificate of awarding contract and on the man Alatani a friend of Benedict Peters Nigerian Alatani a friend Benedict Peters on the contract in the man the company the Frontiers Health Services on the airport where omo take it testing. Are we serious? Are we out of our minds? Say tester ye wo mining for COVID. We can get so many Ghanaians to do it. Ne dia come Alatani. So on be repair off. No fanko Alata. Meanwhile, Oyusu antigen, the cheapest one. Antigen Oyusu. Antigen $5 no. And on Oyusu G $150. Meanwhile, Nigeria on only Chrome. Obi Oyusu PCR, the most the comparatively effective one. Omo Yusu eno eje omo $130. Enti senka or the PCR no kra na eye and oje $150 pa enka menkasa. But who work for cheap one? And I would dey $150, which is even more than Nigeria there expensive. Enti President Akufo-Addo hu. Woman ye due diligence bia. Asat na America say woman ye quality control and quality assurance bia. Ministry of Monitoring and Evaluation, Dr. Anthony Akoto say, where are you? Who is useless minister of Ghana? I'm telling you today, you are the most useless ministry, the most useless ministry in the history of Ghana. And it's a monitoring away. You have to monitoring and evaluation, and you boy and Sem, or near you, Professor Jambafo. One me and one ministry, no, a stupid decision. If me will be there. You were all these two ministries our Ghana and so corruption now cost for Ghana you know omo hu ye ya go come say more attacking penifo more attacking government. This is bullshit. My to aso na nipa be hu de evidentia mani abre obi antumi nkasa hwe sa contract on the man Alatani entia investigations are made said Nadam Funi President Akufo-Addo. Or one of the billionaires in Nigeria. Nadam Funi President Akufo-Addo. To also award no. Abra Ghana for share any pound. See, I see what time we could do not go in America. Canada, Japan, me because of Odidi Minima Bush and phone in our terminal. Or Shada and Yama or European penasing. But Sadia way. Se contract nimpo ne de mark na de Japan a na all use antigena ka on charge Ghana force nipa yeso otan okodu a in America se sa contract we de mark na de Japan a akompre ko a ne wakodi judge for atema ne ho ado akọ adwamu asem na making enka obeya de no obeya ne quality baby obe procure nyoma no kuranya ne cheap abeya ma Ghana for asevu Ghana for ama in fact one we call on just $28 kra and so yeah farmer no because e be the man e bi mbe o ma be so fa bitu so e bi o ka so ompre Inti fama no. Tobinko pharmacy wo ho. Kwame Despite wo ho. Ye wo sika 401 ka betumi dia mo ma ye. Where are they? Anase mo de mo nom so omo ngia na. What is this? Anon tonchen. Ye were unemployed nurses. You were unemployed medical doctors. Where are they? They could form a consortium. Na oma ye na bank mo loan. Anase say oma ko catch bia Kennedy Japan anase we no a shareholder. No amo musika. Monya because I dey test no. Uye wie ya na usika. If oye ya na etua ka. Enye say oye Emma ban akosan check. I'm ready 2 years. No. Oye ya na etua ka. So why can't we do it? Why is Ghana need to me now they come alatani because alatani no obesi silly e kwanya corruption e koso no match is na se mo be bu Ghana fu komu pa ade ye $5 come de monte be $30 be mpo $150 and the Nigeria is so wicked in such a way say when job at airport wo adem and yintu en sun gu form yen se sa abanshim de bia President Kufuor ba ye ahoho e na oji omo e na oku Ghana fo nduma eno ma Ghana fo be betumi aye no onfama Ghana ni no dia koma foreigner. Why? What is going on, President Kufuor? What is wrong with you? Look at your age, 76 years or so. O pesika dia ko hen unu obusuan fo na etwesi o Ghana na mu bom man bukata ejapa ba ye nka ho asem nwie yo ejapa the scandal like being sida yen kan wasem wi masan so kofa COVID test any foreigner de bia mo de foreigners and yinja omo na mo ni oman bubu kata ade oba some of us yedi wo chi campaign ma I campaign for President Kufuor because nyenye nim say corruption e koso no obetwa corruption mu ye hu bi da e wo Ghana enso ba ye e japa wen Oba Ejapanie, Osoria Visa fraud nie, PDS nie, Kenny GVG nie, Crow, Osafuma Fudie nie, Ameredeal nie, Ejapan nam kwemu yankan wasem osa the COVID test. Asanso ababe kaho. Yanya oden. President Kufuor, it is say how are you going to campaign on corruption? Tell Ghanaians in this campaign period, tell Ghanaians corruption are fighting. Oh, Koran now ka free SHS why are there? But the no crown and excellent because for the past 3 years, untuminji sa traffic light in Fiho. Inti Sinto crown. Oh, Koran now ka free SHS free SHS na. Ka corruption aba o waba emu so ka ho. Na Ghana fo ho. Talk about the corruption. Why? Every some unko bem every ebin si da Ghana. Every chrono. Why? And then many break. Now, Ghana for me mama tia say Adiana Abano. Nobody should blame any minister. Minister senior yachichiro omosa. This fraudulent deal is straight from the Jubilee House. Nobody should blame any minister in the country. Health Minister, Mr. Kokwajima Menu. Nobody should blame him. Yachichiro nsa. Aviation Minister, Mr. Kofi Ada, yachichire nsa onimo hwe. Procurement Minister, Mrs. Sarah Adwasafo, Dome Kwabenya, yachichire nsa onimo hwe. National Security Minister, Mr. Kandapa, Ofa Kandapa, yachichire nsa onimo hwe. Foreign Affairs Minister, Mrs. Sharia Ekobutwe, onimo hwe, yachichire nsa eye Jubilee House. Timumbisa President Kufuor. Any nuanom say, why na the contract nema alatani no? DNT na the come alatani. They should come and explain. Ghanaians are not stupid. This is ridiculous. Extortioner. Ebisi da mo kigana fosi kadia alatani dia konukrum. Nyansa wom. President Kufuor nyansa wom. Yakoka mo se attacking penifo. Ade wo ye asi Ghana for MPP for NDC for mami enye no politics o. Eye menu mienu and one more extorting money from us. Anyansa bianim. Aden. President Kufuor, Aden. Ghana for my friends here because the way I makuma ehuri no and where me cancel be a and where nipa be frame I cassette no because the way I temper rise no say man hwe here one where make cancel because in kwasiasem na ekoso Ghana obi kana no to obi ntumi nkasa. What sort of stupidity is this? What sort of thievery and extortion is this? Fellow Ghanaians, again, this Solomon also. One Sabeka video way. Mon share ko ewiasia fane nana nipa nyina hu corruption e koso airport. Ene ene ya dia ye de Ghana for fam airport. Na ko bebo brawa broche ukofie uko ufie nsusu a ya de wonam ade ekufo ado. Why? What is this? Ghana for galam say no age e de ama China for. Ghana for import salvage car can ni hoamwa kakra na ya top part atum ne de ko ne asiesie na fita fo nya adwuma ye spray nya adwuma ye electrician nya adwuma ye wo so wompene because VW akofa VW awomoye assemble car o Ghana ma ka bom ye corruption na yibi wo honti no e wo se Ghana fo enwuma ball Ghana for banks wogunu foreign banks ye adwuma sa na echekere man fellow Ghanaians be the best here. What benya video we Mr. share man do President Akufo-Addo kwan no se Solomon Usu so be to me can me kasa. I will talk and I know say Minua Kevin Taylor so at the better so in the in the coming days. I know say also the better so be to me can Ghana me see e be kasa in some form e koso Ghana it's too much. Aden. Thank you.